answer it.
Hmm.
Hey, hi
Yeah,
everyone. So I think there are lots of people in the forum which are very new. So a question to everyone that do you really think that Nifty is going up with any kind of news or something? I don't know. Nifty should go down. Why it's going up and up? Is there anything that you can predict from the market? Is there anyone is telling something in the market to do it? Is anyone wants
yeah,
that?
not really. I mean, based on today's observation, my comments are very generic that some big players are playing within a particular stocks only, not in the actual sectors, if I observe today.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Sectors, yeah, I think not in any particular sector, looks like.
Okay.
Because I was holding, I have invested for some time. I'm not a regular trader, but
Uh-huh.
looking at that, looks like the movements are unpredictable.
Sir, if you know that the movements are predictable, will you be happy?
No, it is not like that. As you asked the right question about the news based or anything, it is
First of
not.
all,
I mean,
first of
it
all,
looks like
fir-
not acting based on the news also. That
yeah,
is what I am trying
exactly.
to say.
It is exactly. So the news which you really see outside is not to do anything in the market. Okay.
Yes.
So that's the first point that you people has to listen. You need to know that whatever the news that you see in the market or in the news channel is nowhere connected with the stock market. So you may say that, sir, there was a war happened, so that's where it is falling or something. Bullshit. That's
Hmm.
at all nonsense. Okay, because
Yeah.
there in the stock market, everything is data. So when the data points are correctly found out, right, when you find the exact points of selling by the institutional players or buying from the
Hmm.
institutional players, nobody
Hmm.
can ever come closer to you. And that is a motto that we teach to our students. And if you there are several students from me who have learned, they really know about the fact that why we have to work on those things. So and also people say that sir, Nifty and Bank Nifty, it's really hard to predict, but it's easy to predict. But the one thing is people put a lot of money in the same day itself. Let's say want to do expiry, they put 10 lots, 20 lots at the same time. Market will go up, but still greedy. No, they put so much of lots into a particular script, and then they see that it's going zero. Because you should
Yeah.
not do that. One thing is
Hmm.
you need to know that whether if you are in the market bull side, there will be a breakout, there will be a buyable level, there will be a breakout level, and when the breakout level happens, nobody can stop anything. Okay, I'll give you a simple scenario here. So as per the concept, right, there will be a one particular area will be called as a consolidation area. You know that, correct? Everyone who was there in the call knows that what is consolidation area. Yes or no?
Yeah, some basics
Okay,
because as I
consolidation
said,
area is
but
where
yes, of
where
course.
nothing happens.
Uh,
This
yeah, yeah.
Where nothing
Hmm.
happens, it goes on a sideways, like going
Yeah,
up and down, not volatile from going very up and then coming down. No, it'll be a
yeah.
mile, like 1 rupee, 2 rupees, or in Nifty they say
Hmm.
that 30 points up and down. Okay, so that those things are all called as consolidation area. So you cannot trade on that particular area, but other than that, every area is tradable area. One thing that you really need to know is when to trade, when to buy, when you should be in the buying mode, when you should be in the selling mode of the Nifty and Bank Nifty. When Nifty is in buying mode, you can buy the stocks. When Nifties are in selling mode, you should be on the selling side only. Okay, that is
Yeah.
the main motto of everything. Okay, and everything related to a particular scenario called expiry. So, do you know
Hmm.
something called expiry?
A little bit.
Okay, so
uh,
everything expires on a particular date, right? So
yeah,
you know
yeah.
what is a particular date that expired by Nifty stocks and Nifty?
I think Thursday they have kept some Thursday
No,
dates,
it's
no?
not Thursday. Sorry for your
Option.
information. They moved to Tuesday. Okay.
Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, so they moved to Tuesday. So this is the first indicator that I'm going to give you for those who are having those who created a done access, those who created a done account with me. They get this indicator for 6 months for absolutely free, nothing doing. So you get everything for free. And after that, if you still trade in the done account, you get for free only. Okay, there's no money for any of the indicator that I'm going to show you. If you trade, you get the indicator. If you don't trade, you don't get the indicator. Got it? So the
Yeah.
first one is related to reversal strategy, which is I'll be teaching you in the class, but this is what the main thing concept here is. I'm going to take it. I'm going to show it something, just enabling it. Okay. When
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
when I enable it, it'll ask you certain things, right? I need the expiry day. I don't know the expiry day. Only tell me when is the expiry day of a Nifty. So that's the only input that you need to give. Enter the day of the month. You want to day of the expiry day level, right? You need to put that. September 30 was the expiry day.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, September 30 was the expiry day. So I put September 30. Okay. And then I just say okay. Okay. So September 30 is what? Is here, correct? This is September 30. So what I'll do is I'll just put it in a replay mode. October. This is October. So I don't want to see October what is there because I want to show you something, right? So this is AI strategy. Okay. So when the AI strategy is formed, I put here what Nifty, correct?
Yeah.
So I put Nifty index. So when I put Nifty index, it is telling me something. What is telling? It is telling me this particular area is a completely a buy for me. Right? Above, there's a compulsory buy 24,616. 16 is a buying area. And then compulsory sellers was 24,565. Okay. So I put this is the selling area. So between this area will be a consolidation area. I'll put it as a yellow color here. Okay, I'll put a yellow color here. Okay, so this area will be a consolidation area. Below this will be a selling, but above this is a buying area for me, correct? And the below there is somewhere red color things are there, correct? There is some red color is there, correct? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah.
So these are also supporting area. So it can come down till this particular blue red color line also. It can take support and it can go up. Okay. Again, same thing. You may get selling around this area or you may get selling around this area. Okay. So this become your resistance area. But once it crosses this area, it will go non-stop. Second thing is you have a buying area here, correct? You have a selling buying area here. Above this area, it should go up. Okay, so I have only 5 areas here. So what I'll do is I will enable some more area for you so that you can see how it works. So I'm going to take something called area like this and this. So I just put it like this and then I'll close it. Okay, so if you see the compulsory buy is around this area like 26615 is an area which will be going up. So I put a 10x here so that it will be very fast and moving. So see how it is going. This is a buy area, correct? This is a buying area. So above that, it's a buy for Nifty. So you don't need to worry about anything. Below this only, it will be selling. But above this is a buying only. See, this is started to buy and then it started to break out. And the breakout is already here. This is a massive breakout. Once the massive breakout goes, it goes to this particular area. And once this area is crossed, it will go to another area called this is area. Once this is crossed, it will be a massive movement to 25,154. So that's how it goes. So from here, it starts. And then this is the first target because I said now this green color area will be your resistance area. So that's where first selling was came in. Second selling near to this particular green color area. Third, see this area got rejection. After that, it's completely moved up. See this. This is there one hitting, and now it is moving towards this 25,154. So when you know a particular movement, like when you see this particular area is a buying area for you, that means that you should be confident on your thing that Nifty is on a buying mode, not on the selling mode. So you should not think of anything other than CE. Okay, that's the first thing that you need to know. Okay, second thing, let's say, sir, you don't you did it for Nifty. Well, can you show it for Bank Nifty? I'll show it for Bank Nifty also. I remove all the drawings here. Okay, I'll put Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty October, correct? Let me go for October. October is here, correct? Let me put October here. So you know this is a buy above level, correct? This is a buy above, and then this is sell below. There's no compulsory buy here, it's a buy above, sell below. So this is a consolidation area. Okay. When this consolidation breaks out this particular area, you get a rejection at these two, only these two green area, you get some kind of a rejection. But once the green area is crossed, it will be a non-stop movement on the upside. So if you see here, it start here, it's already on the green area right now. It crossed the green area, target hit, right? First target is here, second target was here. Exactly hit the target. There was a little bit of resistance here. See how beautifully, we already know that this area will be a resistance, right? I showed you the target also. Every target will be a resistance area. So here, see how it moved up. It becomes a support for the green color thing, and then it goes up. This becomes support. Now it's around this area. See? So do you know that, did anyone tell you, like I draw it on October, right? September 30, I drawn the lines for October 6th. This line of, you just tell me something. Do you, there are lots of people outside, right? There are many people outside. They will draw only a resistance line after it here, and then they will draw this line, correct? Here only they will draw, this is a breakout level, and then they will be keeping up. Yes or no?
Yeah.
But how are we doing it without that? How do we know that this works beautifully? This area is a support area. This area is a support. This area will be your resistance area. This will be a resistance area. So that when you know this area is crossed with on the upside, we know the target is here. You can still hold for the targets. Okay, so you talked about Bank Nifty and Nifty. So maybe you had worked on it. You tell me a stock, I show you. Anyone who is there as a newcomer, you just come and tell me which stock that you want to work on. Tell me.
Yeah, maybe HUDCO, HUDCO, HUDCO.
Which one?
HUDCO, Housing Urban Development,
Atco,
HUD.
Atco. Okay, I put Atco. So again,
Yeah,
same on October, same thing, right? I'll put
yeah,
here. Where is that? Yeah. So September 30, I put September 30 everything, correct?
yeah.
So it says like on October 1st, this is a buying area, buy above for me. I already got this buy above from here, correct? And then a target is here. And then this will be a breakout level. When the first target met, it's a breakout level. After that, this is the first target, second, third, fourth. Then it going to the final target. Exactly on the
Oh.
same point. And then you know that, did I draw this line?
No, no, no. It's automatically generated.
How this line came up,
Yeah,
right? It picked up from the same line. People will draw, once it comes, they will draw only here, support and resistance. They draw this as a major support area. But this is, you know, the system will tell you the future, how the future will happen, right? How the future of trading will happen. I can still move it to whatever, May or June or July and show you the prediction for July, August also. Okay.
Mm.
So you should know the future of a particular stock, when to buy and when to sell. So if you know all this stuff, right, you will be like literally on the front foot on your batting. Okay. You will not be on the back foot. Back foot also
Can
is
you
very
please show the crude oil today?
crude oil. Crude oil.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you crude oil. Crude oil futures. So crude oil
Yes.
expiry days is what?
So October month expiry.
For September, when was the expiry? You tell me. Is September 19th or 14th? Don't know.
October 20th.
No, I want September.
Okay, you can show.
September
Yes.
19th. It was 19th
Yeah.
or 17th? Yes, it was 16th, I think so, correct? Every Tuesday or
Yes. 16. It was 16th.
16th?
Yeah.
No, it should be 100% sure, bro. So when is October? When is October? October expiry is what?
So October's 20th October expiry.
20th, Monday.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that means that this also will be a Monday. So no, it will not. 15th, September 15th was an expiry. Okay, let me put September 15th as expiry.
Okay.
If you want to have an accurate thing, you should know the exact date. Okay, so this is the exact date of crude oil. Okay, so it says like buy above is here. When was that? Okay, October 15th. Okay, September 15th is expiry. Okay, so we put around this area, right? This is a buying area. Buy above is for crude oil here. Sell below is here. Okay, so this area is your like a mirror. Above this is a buy for me. Below this is a sell for me. When it's buy above, my targets are 1, 2, 3, 4, and then if it crosses above this, and then it can go up to this particular target. So when it crosses this, and that was the target, and then it went all the way up. I have one more target. I can put here one more target here. I think we'll put later, but that target will hit here. Okay, so that's the reason it's not coming here, but it's fine. But here, if you just see, it went all the way. Below this is a selling, but above this is a buying. So when it crosses this area, you can buy. So 5567 above, it's a buy always. Below 5546 is a selling always. You can think that as a starting point and start working on it. And below above this 5600 level, 610 levels, it should be massive on the upside. You can do that. You should know only 2 points. When every month you should have only 2 points in your ladder, like above, buy above, and sell below. When you know both the numbers, right, you can easily trade. Is it easy to trade? Is it very difficult to trade? Tell me.
Really easy to trade. Some practice is definitely required because some hands-on will only give us
Now
the
that I will
convenience
teach
with
you.
which
That I
we,
will teach you. But if
yeah,
you
yeah.
see,
But otherwise, the tools are very, very informative and productive.
yeah, see here if you are taking a trade, you will end up in loss. But if you taken a trade here, you will be at least you get something here. When you take a trade here, you would be in profit. When you taken a trade around this area, you'll be in loss. When you taken a area, this area, you'll be in loss. When you take an area, this area will be in loss. This area will be in loss. Only thing is when to take a trade, everything I'll teach you. Okay. But you need to see how this things works out. So that's the only thing. When it crosses this, we have a target till 5460. So see, almost near to that particular area, it's coming and taking support. Today also it came to that particular level. and it took support. So that is how it works. So anything other than crude, you can also ask me anything. Which one you want to work on? Tell me, Rajan.
Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank.
So Kotak Bank, I'll just move it to back to the same thing, 30. Okay. Okay. I'll just say Kotak. So Kotak Bank is here. Where is the buy above level? On October 1st itself, it gave a buy above. And this is a breakout level. That's it. First target, second, third, fourth, and then it went to fifth target. Anything else? Anything that you want to know?
Yes,
Any
sir.
challenge me with any stock which I don't know.
Maybe you can take GRSC.
GRSC?
Yeah.
I take GRSC. Okay. GRSC, we have okay. Okay, GRSC will not have anything here because there is nothing happened on this particular day. So what I'll do is I'll move one day before or next day because I go for one day before. Okay. So one day before, it's already said that this is my compulsory buy and this is my compulsory sell level. So above this is a buy for me. So here it's a buy for me and it hit exactly on the green color. That's where the resistance was. After that, it's still around that particular area.
Please check Chinese
I didn't mark
technology.
anything. I didn't mark. This is about the indicator. Indicator marks very well. This you may see that after this it got marked. No, I'll just show you here. It had marked here itself. I'll show you here. See, line is here. When the market was here, line was here. After that, only it went all the way up and then it did everything. I'm not fooling anything. We know where people will be selling. That is the beauty of learning. Okay. If someone is going to teach you this, they will definitely take you somewhere around 70K to 80K. Where now you're going to get it for free. Only thing is, you have to trade. Because at least, right? I'm teaching you something.
Yeah, we
Yes.
definitely want to trade in Dhanim.
Okay, leave it. What are any other stocks?
So can you please check Chinese technology?
Which one?
Chinese technology.
Spell it, please.
Chinese, Kines, Chinese.
Keynes.
Keynes.
Okay. So Keynes, I should go to 30th. Okay, let me go first 30th. Okay, so this is a buy above level. Buy above. Okay, see this buy above is here. First target, second target, exactly on the second target. What else? Any more? Any challenges? Give me some more challenges. 10.
Good evening, sir.
Interesting, Dinesh.
Thanks for the fabulous session, sir. Please check MCX and CAMS.
Keynes, I already gave. MCX you want?
CAMS.
CAMS. Okay.
Scan.
So CAMS, you have a buy above here. Okay. This is a buy above.
Okay.
And then it hits exactly on the green, it came down. Target, all target hit. 1, 2, 3, 4 target hit. Only this crossing, you will get this target. And then you have another one here.
And so another MCX.
MCX. Okay, MCX. Again, see, it's okay. MCX, we don't have any levels are formed on 30th. So I'm just moving to 1 day before. So this is a buy above area. See, exactly on the same, this area got support. And then it went up, it's around the same area. If this cross around 83010, you will find it will go to 8688 for sure.
Okay, thank you, sir.
What else?
SBI cards.
Purnima, நீங்களும் கூடவா? Okay, so here, see here, it's a buy above area. It went little bit up and then came down. Here it's a sell below. Again, it went up and then it got rejection from the area where there's most of the selling, and then it crossed. Now it's a stronger area, so it stays over this, and then when it crosses the high of this particular area, you'll see 935. Otherwise, there'll be a fall near to 830, 883. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So this is what is all about. So how many people are excited to learn this?
Yes, sir, we are definitely.
Okay. So next batch will be starting from November. Okay. Those who have not opened any account with me, you can start opening an account so that I will put you on the November batch. Okay. So please watch out for all the things that we are going to teach you. So I've seen that people who have already traded in the month of September with done account will get an access to this training, complete training of mine. So please join me tomorrow, and we'll start from the beginning. Okay, so be excited, be be sharp at 9 o'clock. We'll wind up at 10 o'clock, and make sure that I'll teach you the major fundamental stuff in the stock market. Okay, so keep this in your mind that you're going to learn something new and something which is very, very unique, and try to implement in your own studies and own training and own trading. That will really help you in going forward. Okay, I stop here.
Yeah, can I request one thing? What
Yes,
is the, I mean, please share, I mean, maybe you are going to put the agenda completely about the training methodology.
No. I'm not going to. I'm not to give you. I'm not going to give you the entire agenda that I'm going to teach you. Okay. So I'm going to tell you what I'm going to teach you. But when the class, I'll tell you what are the things that I'm going to teach you. What are the things that I'm going to teach you? Because most of the people who are going to join will be a slow starter. Okay, they are not a big trader. They have not traded anything. So we have to start from the scratch for them. Then
Yeah, I mean, I'm also basic only, sir. It is not that I'm done lot of work into this.
yeah.
Only some kind of insight I have into because of I have invested with Mr. Munikrishnan's help, as I mentioned previously to
Yeah,
you.
no. Yeah.
Okay, so but I have not attended any training or anything. I was just discussing with him only. But otherwise, okay, I am fair with some terminologies because of his under his guidance. I was looking at the things.
Okay.
But I have not done any course from the basic, like you mentioned. That is very important for me if I want to get into the trading. Actually, so far I am not a regular trader. You please consider me like that only.
That's fine, sir. So I'll help you out in everything. So don't worry of
Yeah.
anything which you really want. So
Yeah.
try to be
Yeah, sure.
try to come on time. And
Yeah.
if I got stuck up with my office, I may tell you that it'll be get delayed. But most of the time, I will start exactly at 9. So I'll be very sharp on that.
Sure.
Yeah,
Where is this recording available? Like you mentioned, this recording is.
I will show. This recording will be in YouTube, but other
Okay.
recordings will not be in YouTube. It'll be in Telegram. I'll show you where it'll be later.
Sure.
Okay. Chalo.
Thank you.
Take
Thank you
care.
very much,
Take care.
Preman.
Yeah. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.
It's over, sir.